Hey. Here is Tinke from the bowling corner, and this week we're going incognito. How? Well, let's throw a radical incognito pearl and see what it does. It is a good ball. I have to spoil a bit. So that's what kind of a ball is the red color Incognito pearl. What can I say about it? Well, first of all, it's a good ball. I can play it from the third arrow or a bit more higher if I want to, and it surely will help me when I have opened up my line a bit and my big balls will hoot too much. So it surely will help me to win some big games. And if you want to do it too, get the ball. It is my high recommendation. And another recommendation is that you could subscribe to my channel or leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and we will see next time again.